Okay. So, student of class 3, open page number 125, 28. Okay. Okay. Show jumps with steps, with 4 steps. Show jumps with 4 steps. Can you see on the page number 128? See, 1 into 4 means they are saying you to do the table of 4, or they are telling you to jump 4. So 1 into 4 is how much you have to be write down on the box, inside the box. 2 into 4, 3 into 4, 4 into 4, 5 into 4, 6 into 4. So can you do all those things, student? Can you do all of those things? So start doing all those things. Inside your book, start doing all those things. Do with your pencil, okay? So see the first one. It has given like this. 1 into 4. So 1 fourth is how much? 4. In this way you have to be do the class. So do it fast. So 128 page. 128 page. Then after that 129 page. Try to jump with 7 steps. Means here you have to be do the multiplication of 7. 1 sevens are, 2 sevens are, 3 sevens are, in this way. Okay, sorry. You have to be do also page number 126. So start from 126, 127, 128 and 129. So 1 times 2 is 1 times 2 is 2. So or in this way. Okay, so do the maths and then after that send me. Okay. So today we will do this 4 page only, okay? And everybody will send me the picture of your classwork and I will check. Okay? Daksha H, page number 128. I think, yes. See, 1 fourths are 4, 2 fourths are 8, 3 fourths are 12, 4 fourths are 16, Then after that 4 5 are 20, 24, 28, 33, 32, 36, 40 is all right. 3 fours, 13 fours are Daksha, 13 fours is not 15. 13 fours is not 15. Make it correct. Okay? Or else this page is all right. 14 into 4 and 15 into 4, this one is all right. Arindam Ghosh, page number 26. 126. So 14. Okay, all right, Arindam Ghosh. Divyanka Mukherjee, 3 1 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 27 30 33 36 39 42 and 45. Divyanka, your page number 127 is all right. Now is the time for Divyanka, page number 126. 8, 8, 10, 12, 7. So, okay. Page number 126 is also right. Divyanka. Diksha Singh. 8, 8, 126. 10, 19. Okay, 126 all right. Diksha Singh. Arindam Ghosh, page number 127. Arindam Ghosh, 3 9s are 27. 127 page. First you have written 37. So then after that you write 27. So 2 and 3 it become mixed match. So rub this one, rub the 2 and make it write down clearly. I told na that not to do overwrite. Rest of all math is all right. Mukherjee, your 127 page is all right. Arindam Ghosh. Okay, Arindam, your page number, I think 128 is all right. Aniruddha Goswami, page number 126. Okay, everything is all right in this page. Daksha H, page number 126. Okay, Daksha, you have done all the maths correct. Aniruddha Goswami, page number 126. Okay, all the maths are correct. Obhimunnu Gorai. Okay. Obhimunnu, page number 126. Why this 1, 2, 3, 4 blank is missing? Fill up this one. Rest of all right. Obhimunnu Gorai, now we had done. Obhimunnu, your second picture, yeah, now it's come all right. Okay, everything all right. Obhimanyu Gorain. This is Ayush Mondol. Okay, Ayush. Everything is all right in this page 126 and 127. Aniruddha Goswami. (127) is all right. Aditi Singh. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 into 2 is 20. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 into 2 is 18. 8 times 2 is 16. 16. Okay. Okay, Aditi, this part is all right. So, Aditi Singh, your page number 126 is all right. Aditi Singh, page number 127. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 15, 18, 24, 27. Is it 24? 3 eights are Aditi Singh. Look at the page number 127. 127. 3 eights are 24. You have written 21. So correct this one. Okay? And make your handwriting little bit good. Aditi Singh, your page number 128 and page number 129 is correct. Dhriti Mondol, page number 126. Okay, correct. Dhriti Mondol, page number 127. Is correct. Okay, now Aditi is all right. Your page number 27. Unusri Das. Okay, Anusri, your page number 127 is all right. Goswami. Aniruddha Goswami. Okay, Aniruddha, page number 128 is all right. Ayush Mondol. Okay, Ayush Mondol, look at the page number 126. 126. 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is how much? It's 16, not 18. Correct this one. 2 8s are 16. Correct this one. Or 8 into 2 is also 16. Correct this one. And it's 2 times 2 is not 4 times 2, 5 times 2, 6 times 2. Then after that 7 times 2. It's not 2 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14 or 7 into 2 is 14. Correct this one, Ayush Mondol. Page number 127 is all right. Diksha Singh. Okay, Diksha Singh, page number 129. 129. Look at the math. 14 into 7. 14 into 7, it's 98. You have also you write 98, but your 9 is not proper. Make your 9 proper. It doesn't seems like 9. Page number 126 is all right. Diksha Singh. Daksha H. Page number 129. Is all right. Diksha H, page number 129. Your 9s are not look proper. Make your 9 proper. I will take the class at 2 now. আছে বাট আমি এখন একটু পাইন নেব পাইনের ক্লাস কোলাপস আছে আমি বলে দেবো ওকে 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 বাই বাই বেঙ্গলি ক্লাস ওকে ওকে Anushka Goswami, page number 127 is all right. Okay, Ayush Mondal, your math is also all right. Oyantika Sri, page number 126. Oyantika Sri, look at the page number 126. It's not 1 times 2, it's 10 times 2. Right? 10 times 2 is 20. Rest of all is all right. Okay. Page number 128 is also correct. Anushka Goswami. Now Diksha Singh's 8s, 9s will look like quite okay. 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 So, Dhriti Mondol. Okay, so up to this much is today's class. On the next day, we will do the next part, Dhriti Mondol. Your page number 128 is all right. Ma'am, my pages are completed. Divyanka, very good, completed. Now I will do the roll call. No, plus 2 pine. Wait a minute. 2 pine start.